I want to go across to Amit Sharma. He's the director of the Stop the Beauty Test film. Amit Sharma, thank you for your time. Your film, For Dove, it captured the public's imagination and it delivered the message without sugarcoating it. How did you think of treating it this way, and what was your experience like in making this film?
The treatment was very clear when I heard the scripts. The treatment has to be very real, because Dove has always used real women, and the brief was very, very clear that we have to find real women जिनके साथ में ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं, and women who have faced these kind of problems. And as we were doing the casting, we were getting to know new stories about these girls who have faced these things. जब उनके रिश्ते की बात आती है, so उनको क्या क्या face करना पड़ता है, and that was like really, really shocking. So that was a treatment. I decided that it should be very real. It should be very, very clear to people what they are seeing. People should relate to this. That ये उनके साथ वाले घर में या उनके खुद के घर में भी ऐसा होता है. We heard some amazing reviews of the film, but few people did not believe that this still happens. I was one of them when I read the script, and I started believing into it when I started hearing the stories of these girls. कि मेरा रंग काला था तो इसलिए मुझसे शादी नहीं करी. People who don't know such things are still happening. It's for them, and people who are doing these things, रिश्ते के समय judging the beauty, उनके लिए एक थोड़ा सा I don't want to use word थप्पड़ because it's too hard, but yeah, that's what it is.
बिल्कुल. अमित, मैं आपसे यही पूछना चाह रही थी, आपने रिव्यू कहा अभी, तो इसका क्या कुछ असर हुआ है? जो आपके आसपास लोग हैं या फीडबैक मिली है, क्या कहना है? कुछ लोग भी अचंभित हुए होंगे, जिस तरह से आपने खुद कहा कि जब आपने स्क्रिप्ट देखा कि आप सकते में थी कि वाकई ऐसा हो रहा है, लेकिन होता है ऐसा. अगर 10 में से 9 लड़कियां कुछ कह रही हैं, जो सर्वे सामने आया है, तो हो रहा है ऐसे. तो जब उन्होंने पाया कि लोग भी जो है, समाज है, इसी समस्या का हिस्सा है, क्या कहा उन्होंने आपसे?
आखिर कितनी खूबसूरती काफ़ी है. दैट वाज द कैंपेन लाइन. And my job is to make the film and make the film in the most effective way, so that people think about it. A seed of idea is planted in their brain, and they really think about what they are actually doing. So change change actually takes a lot of time. I feel this is a start. So it has started, and I got some reactions which were like really amazing, and I think that's the effect of the film, of the communication. But I think we need to do many more communications like this, many more films like these, so that on a larger level, people in this country understand what they are doing, whether it is right or wrong in their own mindset. So yeah, I got some great reviews, I got some great reactions from the film, and if it has changed someone's life or someone's thought, more than me, nobody will be happy.
या बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए. और आपने एक अहम लाइन कही कि बदलाव शुरू हो गया, बदलाव आना शुरू हो गया. ये बहुत अहम है हमारे समाज के लिए.